click to start, type CMD, right click to run as administrator. After that, click to start, then type power CFG space fun A space off. Okay, then restart your system, because I am already troubleshoot these issues and very deep investigations on these issues. So then again, then restart your system, and then again open the CMD, and then right click to run as administrator, and then yes, then type power CFG space comma H space on, and then hit enter, because when you are restart you haven't received any error. Okay, and then close it. Then next method, click to start again, and then type CMD, right click to run as administrator, click yes for access, then type SFC space slash scan now, and then hit enter. So it will take some time and repair some corrupted Windows file. So it will first scan, detect, and then restore your. Okay, so might be it will take some time, no worry about it, it's completed, and then try to next one. Okay, then this is completed, then next check disk error. So type chkdsk space c column space slash f space slash r, and then hit enter. So select yes for the scanning, next time restart, and then hit enter. So guys, this is used for when you restart your system. So after that it will start scanning, so do not cancel, it will take some time for the start, it will troubleshoot your system. Okay, so this is guys actually advanced level. Then next close it, then very important, right click to start, and then click, otherwise you can click to start and type device manager. So first find out display monitor, update, right click to extract and update automatically, then close it. Then display, select extract update, so search automatically for the driver, select this and then click. So because of this driver already updated, that's why showing this. Then process, select the processor, right click to update, this is actually chipset driver, it will do. Okay, then close it, then restart your system and wait few seconds, so because of it will take some time for the start. And after the start, please check and please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.